Welcome! Today, we'll learn how to use the GEXD formula to insert detailed query results directly into your Excel spreadsheet. First, select the cell where you want the GEXD formula to reside. Next, go to the Spreadsheet Server ribbon and click on Formula Builder. In the Formula Builder panel, select GEXD under Query Formulas. Click the Browse button to navigate to, and select the query to be executed. Now enter the required data in the GEXD panel fields. The target type specifies the format of the output, which can be set as a cell, range, or table. If you select the target type as cell, you'll need to enter the target cell, which specifies where the output data will begin. In this example, that's cell C18. Next, the fill down column indicates how many columns will be filled down at the end of the output data. Finally, the Clear a Range of Cells option allows you to specify the area of output data that should be cleared before executing the GEXD formula. On clicking Insert, the cell is populated with the formula, and a label, GenQuery Detail, is displayed in the cell. The true formula beginning with GEXD can be seen in the Excel formula bar. Here's what your completed worksheet looks like after executing the GEXD formula with the target type as cell. Next, if you select the target type as range, you will need to enter the target range name, which specifies where the output data will be placed. In this example, we'll use GEXD range, covering cells C20 to H20. After executing the GEXD formula, your completed worksheet will look like this. Now, let's look at the step-by-step procedure for executing the GEXD formula in a tabular format. Click Insert and then select Table to create a new table for your data. Name your table as Sales Data Table. Return to the Formula Builder, select GEXD, and click Browse to choose your query or select one from the drop-down. Set the target type to Table, and select the Sales Data Table you just created. Now, let's explore Custom Layout, which allows you to modify the output without changing the query. Click Create and enter a name for your new layout. Use the search bar to locate specific fields you want to include. Use the single arrows to move fields between available and selected fields. You can drag and drop fields to modify their order in the layout. Click Apply to create or modify your custom layout. Click Insert to insert the GEXD formula. To generate detail reports for the GEXD formulas, select the cells containing the GEXD formulas and select Execute Reports from the Spreadsheet Server ribbon. To generate detail reports for selected GEXD formulas, select Selected Reports, then select Selected Detail Reports, GEXD formulas, or right-click and select Spreadsheet Server, then select Generate Selected Detail Reports, GEXD. Your detail report will be generated in a clear, tabular format. And that's how you use the GEXD formula in Spreadsheet Server. Thanks for watching.